I was chasing empty roads, trying to fill a hollow soul, running hard from all the silence, till your mercy took control. Every scar became a memory, every chain began to break. You stepped into my darkest valley and called the dead awake. Now the fear that used to hold me doesn't have a grip the same, because your love came rushing through me like a wildfire in the rain. Jesus, when the night was falling, you carried me through the flames. When my heart was torn and restless, you spoke healing to the pain. Now your light is all around me, and your truth has set me free. I was lost inside the shadows till your grace came after me. This world keeps building kingdoms out of pride and bitter wars, people searching for revival in the things that leave them torn.